Brew your dreams. Crafting your coffee corner. Click the links in the description to get everything you need to make your own coffee bar on Amazon today. Creating a coffee bar at home is a joy. Start with a vision and end with a cozy corner that's uniquely yours. It's more than just coffee. It's a sanctuary to unwind and savor each moment. Design a space that reflects your personality. Every detail tells your story. Imagine a cozy nook to start your day, a place for quiet moments before the day begins. Picture the aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling your kitchen. We'll create a transformation that turns an ordinary space into an extraordinary experience. Transform your coffee routine into an experience you look forward to every day. A home coffee bar invites you to slow down and enjoy simple pleasures. Savor the simple pleasure of a delicious cup of coffee. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just starting, this guide will help you choose the right equipment and perfect your brew. Design a coffee bar that's stylish and functional. This is your space to design and enjoy. Let your imagination run wild. Embrace the process, let your creativity flow, and have fun. Let's get started. Location, location, location. Picking the perfect spot. Choose a convenient and comfortable spot for your coffee bar. Think about where you enjoy your coffee. Is it in the kitchen or a cozy corner? A quiet kitchen corner can be ideal for easy access, or a sunny dining room spot. Light can enhance your coffee experience. Even a small nook can be a perfect coffee station. A countertop or rolling cart works well in limited space. Ensure access to an electrical outlet for your appliances. Natural light brightens the space and creates a warm atmosphere. A spot near a window can make your coffee moments more pleasant. A well-lit space feels welcoming and cozy. Personalize your corner with favorite items. Choose a spot that brings you joy and fits into your home. Essential equipment, the heart of your coffee haven. Let's explore the essential equipment for your coffee bar. The coffee maker is the star of your setup. Choose one that fits your style: drip, pour over, or espresso. Drip coffee makers offer convenience and consistency. For bold flavors, invest in a quality espresso machine. A grinder is key for fresh, flavorful coffee. Burr grinders provide a consistent grind essential for a perfect brew. A kettle is crucial, especially for pour-over coffee. A milk frother is great for lattes and cappuccinos. Build your coffee bar gradually. Start with basics and add more as you go. Each piece enhances your experience. Tidy bar, tidy mind. An organized coffee bar is a joy. Start by decluttering. Keep only essentials on the countertop. Use jars and canisters for storage. Hooks are your best friend. Install hooks under cabinets. Hang mugs and spoons. Vertical storage saves space. Use a tiered stand for cups. Label everything clearly. This keeps your coffee bar tidy. Section 5, Coffee Bar Decor Ideas. Time to decorate. Let your personality shine. Pick a color scheme that matches your space. Add personal touches. Plants add life. A small plant or flowers can brighten it up. Use a rug to define the area. Hang some wall art. Make it your coffee sanctuary. Decorate to reflect your style and make you happy. Section 6. Lighting is key. Lighting sets the mood for your coffee bar. Natural light is ideal. A bright space feels inviting. Add task lighting for early mornings or late nights. Pendant lights are stylish and functional. Install them above your bar for focused light. Use a table lamp or wall sconce if space is tight. Create the right mood with your lighting. Choose lighting that complements your style and is functional. Section 7, Final Touches, Adding Personality. Time for the final touches. Add a chalkboard or letterboard for recipes or quotes. Display your favorite mugs and accessories. Add fresh fruit or cookies for a welcoming touch. Consider a small speaker for music. It's all about the details. Personal touches make it special. Section 8, The Grand Reveal. Admire your creation. Step back and enjoy. Your stylish and functional coffee bar reflects you. Invite family and friends to enjoy it. Share your journey online. Savor the experience. Enjoy the aroma. Relish quiet moments. Your coffee bar is a testament to your creativity. Section 9. Beyond the Beans, Expanding Your Coffee Bar Horizons. Your coffee bar journey continues. It's a space that grows with you. Try different beans from around the world. Practice latte art and impress friends. Host tastings and share your love for coffee. Personalize your coffee bar with new decor. Reflect your creativity and passion. Enjoy every sip. Click the links in the description to get everything you need on Amazon today.